Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mitopedia. My name is Mahavir and in this video I will tell you how to make $100 online in one day. Before starting, if you guys are new to my channel then don't forget to press the subscribe button down and like and share this video. Number 1. Sponsored post. The company pays you a amount to talk about their product or services on social media. You can charge the company somewhere around $100 to $200, but this totally depends upon your social media followers. You need to have more than 10,000 followers and good reach on your post. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative ways to make money online. Using affiliate marketing, you can share the affiliated product link with your contacts, and when your contact makes the purchase using that particular link, then the company pays you a referral amount. If you are having social media account like Facebook and Instagram, then post the affiliated product link on the Facebook and Instagram. There are various affiliated websites like Amazon. The more products you sell, the more money you get. So this way you can make more than $100 a day. Number 3, freelance writing. Freelance writing is another great way to make money online. You can target a larger audience by writing articles. There are various freelancing websites available on the Google. You can do a proper research and find out the websites which are genuine and which pay you a good amount. Guys, before proceeding to the next point, I would like to tell you that to grow this channel, we need subscribers. So please click the subscribe button down if you haven't pressed. Number 4, coaching. If you have expertise in particular field, then you can use internet to start business online. Post-COVID, coaching has gained tremendous amount of popularity and using your skill you can train many children online. Example, if you are a fitness trainer or a yoga teacher, then you can teach a group of audience who are interested in fitness. Guys, for this, you don't need to register on any website. You just need Instagram and Facebook account to post your advertisement. People are ready to pay more than $30 a day. And imagine if you are teaching a larger audience, you can make more than $100. Number 5, selling online. You can sell products and services online on Facebook and Instagram. Example, if you are a chef, you can start business online by selling and making cakes. Then, if you are a photographer, you can post content related to photography and can get orders from your customers online. So guys, these were some of the tips to make $100 online in one day. I would like to tell you guys that there is nothing available in this world for free and you can't earn money fast. If you follow the tips and tricks shown in this video, then you can surely make a good career and can earn more than $100 a day. So guys, that's all in this video. I would like to tell you that to support our community, we need subscribers. So please click the subscribe button down and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. Also, please like and share this content. Thank you.